Welcome in. Today we will be doing the bobble stitch. If this is useful, please give a thumbs up, and of course down there is a subscribe button if you're willing. But bobble stitch, I'm going to be using this blue scrap yarn that I have. Don't ask me what it is, I don't know. And a 5mm crochet hook, just purely for this tutorial. Obviously you use whatever yarn you want, whatever size you want, and use the hook that is best for you. This is a tutorial, not an exact science, so don't panic. Okay, slip stitch away, my dears, slip stitch away. And you want an even chain. So for this tutorial I will do a chain of 12, 20. I think I'll do 20. I'll do 20 for you, but you need an even number. So we'll get to 20. Okay, so there is the chain that we will be working with, and when my wool stops messing about, maybe that'll all be good. Right, you want to go the second from the hook and do a single crochet. So insert in and yarn over and pull through and yarn over, pull through both on your hook. So there's your first single crochet, and then in the next one you want to do a single crochet, and in fact all the way along single crochet. So I'll meet you at the end. Last single crochet going in. That was nice and quick, wasn't it? Yay, editing. Okay, so whenever you finish a row on the bobble stitch, you always end in a single crochet. Not only that, when you get to the end of a row, we chain one. So yarn over and pull through to make the chain, and then turn. Okay, so let's get this bobbling going, shall we? We're going to start first working stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through for 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 off of your hook. So you're still left with 2, yarn over, put back in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, so you have 3 on your hook, just there, yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2, so you have 4 on your hook. Yarn over, same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, oops, to have 5 on your hook, yarn over, go into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 again, and then you have 6 on your hook, and that is the magic number. You want 6 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over, whoops, my yarn's messing up, yarn over and pull all through 6, all 6 on your hook. And then you end that stitch by going into the following chain and make a single crochet, and that just ties it all up and makes it neat and keeps it still. So there's a single crochet. So let's go again. Next available stitch, you yarn over, put into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, put into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. So you've got 4, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 5 on your hook, yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. So you have yarn over, pull through 2, left with 6 on your hook, and that's when you yarn over and pull through all 6 on your hook, just like so, and find the next available stitch, and in you go for a single crochet. Two bubbles done. Let's go for our third, shall we? Yarn over, find the next available stitch, and in you go. Yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Leave those 2 on your hook. Yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 on your hook. Yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 4 on your hook. Yarn over, into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 5 on your hook. Oops, there you go, 5. And you yarn over and go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you have your magic 6. 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 6. And then you find the next available chain and you go in for a single crochet. So insert into the stitch, get my tail out the way, sorry, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both on your hook to end the stitch. And there we have 3 bobbles. So last one, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, 2, yarn over, whoops, yarn over, insert, yarn over, 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 6 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 6, and go and make a single crochet in the next available stitch to finish your bobble, and continue like that until you get to the end, and I'll meet you back there. Okay, so I'm going in for my last single crochet to close up this last bobble on my row. Remember, always end with a single crochet. So there I am on the end, which means also a chain of 1. And then turn the work. And oh look, there's some bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbly, 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 bubbly. Okay, so anyway, all along this row, we're doing single crochets all the way along because bubbles are only on one side. So just go ahead and complete all of this row all the way to the end with single crochet. And no, I won't speed this a little bit up. I'll just keep it as normal on and off camera. But just do your single crochet all the way along. I have used bobbles for hats, on scarves. I've even used them as a border on a blanket. It's great to have a little bit of texture sometimes. But be warned. Obviously you can see, but yes, they are a yarn eater. Hey, if I could eat yarn, I would too. But Bobble Stitch is a yarn eater. So I'm coming up to the end. And obviously at the end of every row, chain 1, turn. And always end on a single crochet. Always make sure you start with an even number of chains. Always end on a single crochet and always chain 1. And let's just go in for that last single crochet on the end. And then there we have it. We have our Bobble Stitch. So there you go. You can see how 3D it is, and that on one side it's completely flat and doesn't look all that bad, to be fair, and the other side is textured and bumpy bobby. So if it has helped you, please, please, please give a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you can. If you'd like to, I'd appreciate it. But thank you very much. Hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Thumbs down there. Thank you.